Okay, on this question, we are going to adjust the grid number symbols that are on the west side of the building, which is over here, and to where they appear on the east side of the building only. And we want it to match the image that is in the test. In order to do that, we just click on the grid line, and we get lots of information once we do that, and some options as well. I'm going to click this checkbox right there, and that turns off the symbol on this side, and go over here to the east side and click this checkbox, and it turns on the symbol. Just repeat that on all of the grid lines, and you will eventually have all of the bubbles or the symbols on the east side of the building. All right, and once you get through going through all that, for verification purposes, you're just going to zoom into the first one. You're going to click on the ruler up in the ribbon, and you're going to basically measure from the edge, left edge of the symbol, the circle there, and right there where that line and the arc of the circle intersect, until we get the intersection with the exterior face of that east wall, and we get 12 feet 8 1/4 inches. That will be the correct answer.